Hey, welcome back to the Dreamname podcast, where dreams meet direction and purpose gets practical. I'm your host, Abhijeet Watts, Dreamname mentor and your clarity coach. When it feels like you are doing everything but getting nothing in return. Let me guess. You have been grinding, investing, showing up daily, watching reels on success, consuming content like your life depends on it, trying all the things. But when you look at the results, client flow, income, impact, it's crickets. Why is that happening? Today we are unpacking the invisible blockers and the one simple shift you can make today to start flipping the script instantly. Let's start it in a segment way. First segment is about the illusion of busy versus you being effective. Let's start with something many of us fall for: the illusion of productivity. You are replying to every DM, posting daily, attending all webinars. But is it moving the needle? Or are you just staying busy to avoid the deeper work? Truth is, motion is not progress. You can sprint on a treadmill, but you are still in the same spot. Ask yourself, what are the needle movers? Am I creating or just consuming? Let's move with next segment: inner misalignment. Here's a big one. Your actions don't match your vision. You say you want to build a purpose driven brand, but you are chasing trends that don't light you up. This creates friction, and friction leads to fatigue. If you are feeling drained, it's likely not because you are doing too much, it's because you are doing what's not aligned. Let's pause for a second and ask, am I building from alignment or anxiety? Let's move to next segment, the external validation trap. Raise your hand if you have ever posted something just for the likes. I know most of you do that. And yes, I did it too. When we create for applause, we end up disconnected from our deeper why. And the result? Inconsistent output, burnout, and a constant identity crisis online. Your mission is the magnet. When your content flows from your truth, it hits harder and lasts longer. Segment 4: the power of micro shifts. Now that we have identified the problem, here's how you shift it instantly. You don't need a 3-month sabbatical or a 50-hour course. What you need is a micro shift. That means asking, what do I want before posting? Shutting off content overload for 1 hour daily. Rewriting your definition of success. Saying no to what's no longer aligned. Small tweaks, giant ripple effects. Segment 5: daily energy audit. Very important. Here's the game changer I teach in every clarity session: energy audit. Let me say that again. It's energy audit. Your results mirror how you spend your energy. Every day, ask yourself, what drained me today? What gave me energy? What felt like flow? Start tracking it, adjust, start it again. Energy is data, and data doesn't lie. If this episode is hitting home, I want you to go grab my free clarity worksheet in the show notes. It's the exact tool I've used with one on one clients to help them get unstuck in less than 30 minutes. Yep, it's yours free forever. Just clarity. Get it now. So, coming back to the topic, if you have been stuck, plateaued, or wondering, why isn't this working? It's not that you are broken, it's that your strategy isn't aligned with your energy. And today, you now know how to fix it, right? Now you can screenshot this episode, tag me on Instagram at Abhijeet 10x, and tell me what micro shift are you making today. Let's go create some serious clarity in the DMs. You can comment on this podcast and let me know how did it go? Did you practice? And what was the result? And hey, don't miss the next episode, From Chaos to Clarity, My Journey to Dharma. I'm going raw, personal, and honest. It's not just strategy, it's my story. See you there. Thanks for listening to Dream Near podcast, where you don't just dream big, you build smart. Until next time, keep shifting, keep aligning, and above all, keep believing.